Are you really dry begging in the rain, bro? It's raining, bro. Y'all dry begging in the rain, bro? Your head is messed up, bro. Y'all dry begging in the rain. Welcome, welcome, welcome. More life and happiness to you. Today we are make wifey a seafood plate that I promised about 2 weeks now. So we are make a seafood plate. The rain did not fall, so I have to wait till the rain finish. So we're gonna make a little seafood platter for her. This is gonna be a fast little dinner. Yeah, this is gonna be a fast little dinner. We're just gonna get at it before the night come down. Dinner time. Let's kick it off before the night come down. We're gonna do some lobster tail and we're gonna do some shrimp. I already got my season. I'm gonna put the season in the description for if you don't want to try this season. So we have with lemon pepper, we have with grace fish, we have with grace all-purpose, and we have with black pepper and all that, you see me? And we have some garlic powder in it same way. And a little bit of old beer, you see it? Yeah, man. So I already split the lobster tail and all that, you see it? So we're just gonna put the seasoning in it. I purposely prepare with this time of evening to make it for dinner, you know? I'm gonna do the shrimp right now, you see me? One thing about shrimp, like it's easy to get salty. So you don't wanna overdo it too much. You don't wanna overdo it too much because you don't want it to get salty or anything. So this is gonna be I also add a little bit of jerk sauce too, because I'm gonna burn it on the fire right now. I'm gonna burn it on the fire, so we want that little jerk taste in it with the smoke and all that. Yeah. I'm gonna use this stick, push it in, have the lobster just like that. Just like that. Just like that. And we're gonna do the same for the shrimp because I don't want the shrimp to burn too much. I still want it to cook, but I want it to be extra juicy. You get me? Easy now, man. Dinner gonna be amazing. Dinner gonna be amazing. I'm gonna make them as juicy as possible. I don't want them to burn. I just want the smoke taste today night. So guys, we're gonna roast it on some banana leaf. Yeah, man. Nice banana leaf. Guys, our banana leaf. Pow! Boom, look at scallion. Look at green onion. Oh, look at. Now I'm gonna hurt. Now I'm gonna hurt. Pow! Want the lobster to get a little bit of burn. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Beautiful. We need that smoke. Definitely need that smoke taste, isn't it? Of the smoke blend with it. Nice and easy. So in the meantime, we're gonna roast some corn at the same time, isn't it? Yeah. We'll make wifey a beautiful presentation. Something like a restaurant type, is it? We'll make some garlic butter with the lemon, some scotch bonnet pepper too. Spicy. Nice. Just imagine when you can't dip in that, isn't it? Imagine when you can't dip in that, it's gonna be mad. With the smoke taste, trust me. We put it in the can. Go and roast. Same time, isn't it? Start roast same time. Look at this. Oh God. Oh God. Look at this. Yeah. Juice. Juicy. Juicy. Yeah, man. As I say, I don't want these to burn. I just want them to cook. And you know, say shrimp easy to cook and thing, you see me? Easy to cook. I don't want them to burn. I love this little thing because I could move it in any direction. So I'm moving it on the right side because, as I said, I don't want the shrimp to burn. I just want it to cook because I want it to be juicy. Like, you know, when she dip it in the garlic and the butter. What's up, Zema? Steam up, man. We could take a peek now. We could take a peek now. Guys, free this. Free this. Ah, juicy. 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 See, still on the stick because the banana leaf not allow it to stick on the grill. You know what I mean? Not burn or nothing. You know what I mean? Well cook and them type of thing. You see me? Yeah, man. So I give it one more spin. One more spin and then take it off. Yeah, we'll take this off the fire right now. Because it's the night I come down. We'll take this off right now. Because you know, say, watch ya. Watch ya, people. Beautiful. And that, man. Oh, God. Oh, God. We accomplished what we did want. The smoke, the wood fire. You get me? You know what I mean? We accomplished what we did want. The fire, the smoke, you know what I mean? You see the banana leaf, now I tell you the banana leaf is amazing. I love the banana leaf. You know what I mean? As you can see, in a burn or nothing, just cook nice and right and juicy. So guys, we're gonna do the sauce inside. You know, the night come down, dinner time. Just doing the butter right now to do the sauce. So we have the onion, we have the scotch bonnet pepper, we have the garlic, we have the scallion, the green onion, and of course we have some mint in it. And we're gonna add some lemon to it also. So guys, we're gonna add a little bit of wine. Add a little bit of wine to it. Man, if you can just smell the aroma here right now. Oh God. You can just smell the aroma here right now. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So this is the final touch we add to it. The lemon juice. Final touch to it. Whoa. Nice. Perfect liquor dip, you see me? So guys, this is the presentation. You know what I mean? This is the presentation we're gonna do today. We already create the dipping sauce already. I mean, dipping sauce, right? So this is the presentation. Yeah, man. I hate, man. Dinner done. You know what I mean? When she watch this, she'll realize, you know, we cook this in the rain. We cook this in when sun are good on our night. Yeah, man, I hate that, man. I'm done with it. Right now we're in at the gym. We're gonna do a little bit of workout. Do a little bit of workout and thing before we take a shower, you see me? Yeah, man. Ready feet. We'll do some upper body. You know, I've been working on the frame. Try to get the shoulder broader. Just try if you have like a better frame, you get me? Yeah. Bicep a kick in, man, you see it? Yeah, man, we work hard, feet, you know, we work hard. Continue to work hard. Kicking in. Today was a beautiful day. We got so much accomplished today. It was crazy. You know, as I was talking about when I was cooking, I promised her that dinner for about 2 weeks now. Finally get to it. Every day she bother me. Every single day. When you gonna cook the food? When you gonna cook the food? So I'm gonna get a lot accomplished today. Went grocery shopping. Change the car aisle. Fulfill a promise. Now we are work out. I couldn't get a lot more done. I was waiting on the rain to finish up. But it is what it is. Judge a blessing, you see me? Yeah, man. Jeff Jones, the breaker of chains. get a nice ring to it. Jeff Jones, the breaker of chains. Jeff Jones. The breaker of chains. Jeff Jones. Jeff Jones, the breaker of chains. Thank you for watching this video. More life and happiness to you. Subscribe to the channel, like the channel. You don't know things that, man. I really appreciate you checking me out. Until the next one, bless up. Everything nice, man. Bless up.